For this video, I'm going to show you my skincare wishlist 2019 bullet journal spread. But before that, I'm going to finish my January plan with me week 4 and week 5. So this is my skincare wish list for 2019, and the first one on my list is of course the Tea Clayey's freshly juiced vitamin C drop serum. It's for hyperpigmentation, for acne scars, and some discoloration on the face. I've watched several YouTube reviews about this, and everyone seems to have positive feedback about it. It also has a 5 ml bottle which retails for around 230 to 250 pesos on Shopee, and the 35 ml is at around 1,200. The next one on my list is the Thayer's Witch Hazel Alcohol-Free Toner. It retails for around 600 to 800 on Shopee. This toner is for oily and sensitive skin. It claims to tighten pores and to smooth and beautify without drying. And it smells good. The next one is the Tea Clayey's Midnight Blue Calming Cream, which retails for more or less around 1,200. And this is also available in Watson's. It's for sensitive skin type, for acne-prone skin, and extremely oily skin. It's like an overnight mask, I think, because I've watched reviews about it, and according to them, it did really keep their oily skin at bay the next day after using it. It's a local brand. It's from Iloilo here in the Philippines, and they're organic, handmade, and cruelty-free. The blueberry clay is for acne-prone skin and dry and dull skin. And the black Tea Clayey is for oily, moderate, acne-prone skin and combination skin. Next, the raw herb facial serum for oily or acne-prone skin. They also have this facial serum for dry skin and also combination skin. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, click the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.